Let's look at the cover letter and how it can steer your career. Your cover letter is basically a sales pitch. You want to seize the recruiter's attention and you want to make sure that it shines. It looks good, it's polished, and it's impeccable. This is basically your pitch as to why you are the appropriate person for the job. You don't want to use low quality content. You want to put information and you want to put things in there about yourself, your qualities and your attributes that you're proud of and that you really want to share. So here's some tips to frame a really good cover letter. You want to make it personalized. So you want it to be apparent that you are applying for the specific role or the job, and not that it's some generic cover letter. You want it to be well structured. You don't want to have run-on sentences. You want to make sure that it's well written and it's enjoyable to read. And you want to be specific to the role in the company that you're applying for and how you can be of benefit in this particular role and how you see yourself working in this role and growing with the company. You also want to demonstrate your key skills and maybe one or two experiences, or maybe just one in this case, since it can only be 3 to 4 paragraphs and one page. One experience that really connects with the reader that you are appropriate for this job and this role. Also, you want to make it apparent that you are the best fit for this position. So it's got to be the top 1%. It's got to be really effective with communicating the situation about how you can help and you can be an asset and you can grow with the company. And also at the end, you want to say, have a closing statement summarizing what you said and also thanking for the opportunity to apply for this job. And number 3, again, it has to be tailored to the employer's needs. You have to understand who your company is and what the role is and what are the particular situations that the company is involved in. How can you best improve those situations or help the company overcome any challenges? So that requires some research. And then if you show that you've done this, that the reader is going to see that and read that you're really ready to take on this job. And number 4, you want to have a professional, enthusiastic, excited tone. And to this person who's reading it is really seeing that you are excited to get started and do something great with this work. And professionally, you want to show that you have attention to detail, you're using the right keywords, you can write well, and you're really good at communicating what is your situation, what is your background, what are your skills in a narrative form. And you want to demonstrate an air of professionalism, like you are a good worker. So make sure you don't miss any of these parts, and good luck with creating a cover letter that can steer your career.